Welcome to AI ConvoCast, where we bring you the latest in AI and tech innovation. Quick housekeeping. Check out the affiliate links in our description. Using them supports the show, and please don't forget to rate, review, and share if you like what you hear. Let's jump right in.
Today we will be discussing Google's release of their newest AI model, Gemini 3, along with their new coding environment called Antigravity. We'll also cover how Google is integrating Gemini 3 directly into search, and look at a major investment deal between Anthropic, Nvidia, and Microsoft that ties funding to cloud computing commitments. Google has just unveiled its next-generation AI model, Gemini 3, alongside a new developer tool called Antigravity. This release, which happened yesterday morning, marks a significant step forward in Google's AI capabilities and developer offerings. Antigravity is being described as an agent-first coding IDE, essentially a coding environment built specifically for AI-powered development workflows. According to reporting from The Verge, Antigravity functions similarly to Visual Studio Code, but is designed from the ground up around agent-based workflows powered by Gemini 3 Pro. The tool features both an editor view for coding and a manager view that lets developers orchestrate multiple AI agents working on different aspects of a project simultaneously. One particularly interesting feature is the ability to produce verifiable artifacts. These include plans, screenshots, and recordings that document what the AI has done. Ars Technica reports that Antigravity is available now as a public preview for Windows, macOS, and Linux users. While powered primarily by Gemini 3 Pro, it also supports third-party models, giving developers flexibility in their AI tooling choices. Google is offering Antigravity free during the preview period with what they're calling generous rate limits for Gemini 3 Pro usage. As for Gemini 3 Pro itself, it's already rolling out across multiple Google platforms, including the Gemini app, Vertex AI, Google's API offerings, and AI Studio. Early user reports on social media suggest the new model delivers faster reasoning capabilities and improved handling of multimodal content compared to previous versions. In a parallel and equally significant move, Google has immediately embedded Gemini 3 into its search product. This integration happened on the same day as the Gemini 3 announcement, showing Google's commitment to bringing AI capabilities directly to its core products. According to the Associated Press, Google is positioning Gemini 3 as a thought partner within search, aiming to make the search experience more intelligent and interactive. The initial rollout is targeting search's AI mode and AI overviews, with access first flowing to Gemini Pro and Ultra subscribers in the United States. A broader rollout will follow in the coming weeks. This is a massive deployment considering the scale of Google Search. The AP notes that approximately 2 billion people monthly are already using AI overviews in search, compared to around 650 million Gemini users. Google has emphasized that this integration comes after their most comprehensive safety evaluations to date, likely addressing concerns about AI hallucinations or misleading information appearing in search results. Wired's coverage points out that while Google is pushing ahead with this integration, they're doing so amid investor scrutiny over what some are calling an AI bubble. Despite these concerns, Google is highlighting Gemini 3's integration not just in search, but across Gmail, Maps, Notebook LM, and numerous other products. Moving to our third story, a significant financial collaboration appears to be forming between Anthropic, Nvidia, and Microsoft. According to reports first published by the Financial Times this morning, Nvidia is planning to invest up to $10 billion in Anthropic, while Microsoft may add an additional $5 billion. What makes this deal particularly notable is its structure. These investments are reportedly paired with Anthropic committing around $30 billion to Microsoft's Azure cloud computing platform using Nvidia systems. Business Insider independently reported on the same circular investment and compute arrangement, noting that the deal targets scaling Anthropic's Claude AI assistant while expanding Azure's GPU capacity. The reports indicate that the collaboration will focus on next-generation hardware, including systems based on Nvidia's Grace Blackwell and Vera Rubin architectures. This arrangement underscores the emerging quote for equity dynamic in the AI industry, where access to massive computing resources is becoming as valuable as direct financial investment. For Microsoft, securing Anthropic's commitment to Azure represents a major win in the cloud computing space, while Nvidia continues to cement its position as the essential hardware provider for leading AI companies. The timing of the deal is still in flux, with final closing described as targeted for late 2025 or early 2026. If completed as reported, this would represent one of the largest collaborations in the AI industry to date, with significant implications for how AI companies secure both funding and the computing resources needed to train and run increasingly sophisticated models. These developments across Google's product lineup and the Anthropic investment deal highlight the rapid pace of advancement in AI capabilities and the massive resources being committed to further progress. As these technologies become more integrated into everyday tools and services, they're increasingly shaping how we interact with digital systems, whether searching for information, developing software, or accessing cloud computing resources.
Thank you for listening to AI Convo Cast. Please don't forget to rate, review, and share if you like what you hear. Thanks and hope to see you again next time.